Welcome back, students, in part 2 of today's lecture. Our next topic for today is color code for carbon resistors. So, first of all, let me tell you that commercially, in so many electrical devices, so many what? In all the electrical devices, resistors is resistors are used. Okay, in electrical and electronic circuits, resistors are used. They are basically of two types. First is wire bound resistor and second is carbon resistors. So in old table fans and in some fans today also, this time also, you can see that one resistor is there. This is in form of a wire. Okay, so many wires, very long wire is wounded around a coil. Okay, so in wire bound resistor one coil is there. In that coil any alloy, okay, the wire of any alloy metal is wounded over the coil, and we can increase or decrease the resistance of that wire bound resistor by increasing or decreasing its length. Okay, if we increase the length of wire, more and more wire we wound, resistance will be more, and if we decrease the length of wire, resistance will be less. And nowadays in most of the devices we use carbon resistors. Carbon resistors are a simple cylindrical small resistors in which some color coding is given there. By that color coding we can find out the value of resistance of that conductor. And this wire bound resistor is very heavy, it is very big, very heavy, and to provide more resistance we have to increase the length of wire. More and more wire we have to wound, so it becomes so much difficult to handle that resistor. So that's why carbon resistors are being used today in all the compact electronic devices. You have seen that the size of television has decreased. Okay, this is because now the uh, different parts we are using in television are available in compact or the small sizes. Okay, similarly you have seen that many devices, their size has now decreased. They are available in very small size and compact form. Why? Because now their parts are available in compact form. So carbon resistors are mostly made of carbon and their resistances are in the very higher range. Okay, in comparison with wire bound resistor, carbon resistors are having very high resistance. They are very small in size, they are very convenient to use, reliable, long lasting, and to handle them also is very easy. So here you can see one diagram of carbon resistor. So these are two terminals here, this one and this one. These are two terminals, and in carbon resistors here black strips are shown, but actually in carbon resistor these strips are having different colors. Okay, and first band of color, it shows the first significance number of value of resistance. Second strip shows the value of second significance number. Third strip, this shows the power of 10, and fourth strip, this shows the tolerance of that resistor. Okay, now how 1 2 3 and 4 these bands are showing the value, that we will see in one example. But before that, let me tell you that the values according to the colors, how to remember that values. For that you have to remember one sentence. Okay, what is that sentence? BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Okay, the sentence is BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Now I will tell you that how this sentence will help you. So when we say BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife, so Here you can see BBROI. Roy, great, Britain, very, good, wife. So basically here 5 alphabets are there. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 10 alphabets are there. According to that, numbers are also there from 0 to 9. You have to learn this line because each alphabet in this line tells us about one particular color, and according to that color one particular number, and that we can understand very easily with this table. So here you can see color is written, here figure. What is written in figure? From here we will see the first and second significant number. Then here it is written multiplier, that means that numbers will be multiplied by which power of 10. Then color for fourth band. First 3 bands of carbon resistor tells us about significant number and power of 10, and the fourth one tell about tolerance. Okay, now what is tolerance? So suppose you are having one electrical device which is having a particular resistance, and according to that it will have a particular voltage, it need a particular voltage. But sometime what happen in our home, voltage fluctuation is there, and because of that the resistance also will change. So that resistor tolerance means how much that resistor can bear the fluctuation in voltage. So suppose if fourth band is gold one, so whatever resistance that device is having, that device can bear more or less 5% in that resistance. Okay, suppose any device is having a resistance of 100 ohm and fourth band is gold there. So that means if the resistance is 95 or 105, then also the device will work. Okay, if suppose the fourth band is silver, so if resistance fluctuate between 90 to 110, then also the device will work. So now you can understand what tolerance is. Tolerance basically in Hindi we can see सहना, सहन शक्ति. तो we can say that how much fluctuation or how much increase or decrease in the original value the device can tolerate, that is its tolerance. Now from this example we can understand that how to find out the resistance of a carbon resistor by its color. So let the sequence of color bands on a carbon resistor be green, red, blue and silver. Suppose like this we are having one carbon resistor. First strip is green, second is red, third is blue and fourth one is silver. So for green in table, okay, what is the number here? 5. So first significant number is 5. For red, see, for red it is 2. So second significant number is 2. For blue, now here 3 B's are there. First B, second B and third B. So you must remember that this first one is for black, second one is for brown and this third one is for blue. Okay, remember this very carefully because O is 1, so you know that it is orange, Y is yellow, G is green, V is violet. Okay, this one is also one green. So this one is gray. Okay, this is gray one. First G is green, second G is denoting gray and W is white. So it is black, it is brown, it is blue. For blue, what is the power of 10? 6. So 10 to the power 6 and one silver band is there. That means how much tolerance is there? 10%. So we will write the resistance like this. 52 into 10 to the power 6 is the accurate resistance. And what is its tolerance? It is 10%. So it is written as plus minus 10% ohm. Why plus minus 10%? Because if increase or decrease anything is there, it will tolerate both. Okay, so like this we can find out the value of resistance by looking at the colors of the carbon resistor. This is it for today's lecture. See you in next lecture. Till then, take care, goodbye, and do some productive work.